Do you have a library card? If not, you may be missing out on some incredible and free digital perks. How a library card is turning into a discount card. I'm Kurt the Cyber Guy. Find my quick tips and tech reviews at cyberguy.com. That's where you can also sign up for my free newsletter. Now, you might be familiar with your local library. However, if you're not, now is the time to get that library card. The number one reason is it costs you absolutely nothing to get a library card, and the next reason is it'll save you a lot of money in the long run. There are a number of apps that let you hook up your library card and borrow books, audiobooks, comic books, and even movies and TV shows for free. First, the Libby app is an incredible resource for any book fan. It's free to download and connects with a Kindle app. Libby works with about 90% of the libraries around the US. It's got both books and audiobooks, and it works just like a library does, only virtually. You can even get on the waiting list ahead of big book releases, and while it may be a little bit of a wait for a popular book, you'll be able to read it eventually for absolutely no charge. Libraries around the country have partnered with other ebook lending services, so be sure to reach out to your local library to see if there's another app you can use if Libby has too long of a wait. Hoopla is a platform that offers fewer of the new popular releases. However, it still offers ebooks, audiobooks, music, and over 25,000 comic books. Hoopla and another app called Canopy with a K also offer streaming through your library card. Canopy's got thousands of films you can watch through most of your devices. If you haven't already, visit your local library or visit their website to see if you can apply for a card online. And for more money-saving tips, head to cyberguy.com and sign up for my free CyberGuy Report newsletter.